Welcome back to Buddha Sunshine. In a serene valley nestled between towering peaks, there was a small, tranquil monastery. The monks of this monastery lived simple lives devoted to meditation and mindfulness. Among them was an old sage known for his profound wisdom and unwavering mental toughness. His name was Ananda. One autumn day, a fierce storm approached the valley. Dark clouds gathered ominously and the winds howled with a terrifying force. The valley was enveloped in a relentless downpour, and the river that flowed through it swelled menacingly. As the storm raged, the monks gathered in the monastery's hall, seeking shelter and comfort. Ananda, however, chose not to retreat to the safety of the monastery. Instead, he walked to the edge of the valley, where the river had begun to overflow. There he stood with calm determination, his robe fluttering in the fierce wind. The monks watched anxiously from their safe haven, puzzled by the Ananda's choice to face the storm head-on. They whispered among themselves, wondering why he would willingly expose himself to the storm's fury. As the storm intensified, the river bank began to erode. Trees were uprooted and the flood waters reached dangerously high levels. Ananda, despite the chaos around him, stood calm and serene. He appeared unshaken by the tempest, his mind as steady as a mountain peak. The storm raged on for hours, but Ananda remained unwavering. Finally, as dawn approached, the storm began to abate. The winds died down, the rain softened into a gentle drizzle. The river's water receded, and the valley began to return to its peaceful state. When the storm had completely passed, Ananda walked back to the monastery. The monks gathered around him, eager to understand the lesson behind his actions. Ananda looked at them and said, "The storm we faced was a powerful force of nature, beyond our control. Yet, how we respond to such challenges is within our control. To face a storm with mental toughness is not to resist or fight against the storm, but to remain composed and centered amidst the chaos." He further continued, "Just as the storm tested the strength of the river bank, our lives are tested by the storms of adversity. Mental toughness is not about avoiding challenges, but about maintaining our inner peace and clarity when faced with them. Through mindfulness and wisdom, we can learn to navigate life's turbulent waters with grace." Ananda's story spread throughout the valley, and his words became a guiding light for the monks and the villagers. They learned that true mental toughness comes from within, rooted in wisdom, acceptance, and the ability to remain calm and centered regardless of the external circumstances. The story of Ananda teaches us that mental toughness is not merely about enduring hardships, but about cultivating inner resilience and wisdom. By remaining calm and composed in the face of life's storms, we can navigate challenges with clarity and grace. The true measure of mental toughness lies in our ability to stay centered and peaceful, no matter how turbulent the external world may become. Thank you so much for joining Buddha Sunshine. May we stay calm and centered in the face of life's turbulence and navigate through them with wisdom and grace. And stay blessed.